Ugandans' livelihoods are set to be improved through the Clean Energy Technology Program, as different stakeholders join together to provide access to clean, reliable, affordable and sustainable energy. The managing director of the Uganda Energy Capitalization Company addressed this during a press briefing at the Uganda Media Center today.
Our company is well positioned to pool resources, to work with the Ministry of Finance to pool resources from climate change funds and development partners so that we can use the resources to leverage and pull in the private sector to be able to assist government in delivering the huge mandate to address access to electricity and also access to modern energy services, especially for the people who are living in the rural areas and in the off-grid spaces.
According to Roy Nyamutale, Ugandans will be able to acquire these clean energy technologies at affordable rates, and a total of 67 energy service companies selected for the program are meant to come up with market-based approaches to deliver quality services alongside price discount.
One of the key challenges of accessing these clean and modern energy services is the affordability challenge. And in this case, and under this particular project, we have what they call the price subsidy program for clean energy technologies. So this delivery mechanism that we are using with the energy service companies is a market-based approach. We have identified the eligible products that they need to sell at the discount. All that the public needs to know is they need to know the list of the 67 companies that we are dealing with. It is available on our website, but we are also going to provide a link on social media.
The program is also aimed at enhancing access to electricity in different areas of the country as it contributes to socio-economic transformation.
Importantly, we are also making use of these energy service companies to go beyond the lighting and charging challenge, and to say that for our population, which is in the agribusiness sector of this country, you know that most of our people in Uganda live in the rural areas and they derive their livelihood from agriculture. And so, because the seasonalities has changed, the seasons have changed, we want to be able to support through irrigation and water pumping so that we can be able to have sustainable produce which will generate income for the households.
Companies have been called upon to participate in the program, and the public has also been urged to take opportunity of the program.
Ugandans, including yourselves, should all ensure that you embrace this important program that government has put in place to make sure that we support the powering of your energy through clean sources which are reliable and sustainable.
The launch is meant to happen on the 5th December 2024. Hope Nyongereza, Church of Uganda Family TV, News at 8.